Wishing you a very happy and a vibrant day. Myself Sushmita Sahu, going to take class 7th NCERT Light, that is chapter 15 with reference to NCERT books. So we all know, as I always say, you need to be vigilant. Light is something we all know, we all see, and we are able to see because of light. Any object which we are seeing is because of light. The rays they hit the opaque object and they come to our eyes and we are able to see it. So, if you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start with light. You all might have seen sunlight when it enters a room through a little hole, and you might have also seen beam of light from the headlights of scooters, cars and engines, and obviously from the torch. And especially when we get circus or there are some melas in our city, we see a beam of light going round and round in the sky. And what is this? This is the light which we are seeing, and we need to know how this light travels. The light travels in a straight line. Now let's do an experiment, a very simple experiment. You can do it yourself at your home also. Take a candle, make a hollow tube, or you make a roll out of your paper only, and try to see the candle. When your hollow thing is straight, then you can see the candle. If you bend it, then you cannot. This proves that light travels in a straight line. Now next we come to this. All I am discussing in short because you might have studied in your previous classes. Next we come is, you might have seen your reflection, the direction of light. You might have seen yourself in mirror, for sure you might have. You have seen yourself in mirror, isn't it? So mirror changes the direction of light that falls on it, and this change of direction of light by the mirror is called reflection of light. That is, light falls on the mirror and then it falls back to our eyes and we can see through the mirror. And here on the screen you can see not only in mirror, but we can see our reflection in water also. Here you can see an image of tiger in water. So what is this actually? This is the direction of that the water is changing the direction of light which is falling on it, and this is reflection of light. In our next slide also we are going to show the same thing. This is a very good experiment on your torch to understand reflection. It's very good and very easy experiment. On your torch you put you take a black paper, and on the beam of the torch you make 3 holes on that paper and cover the torch light and put it in front of mirror as you are seeing it in the screen. What you will see, the 3 beams of light will come and they will fall on the mirror, because we have made 3 holes. So the beams are coming out of those holes and we can see that light there. See, it's very clear in the diagram, in the picture out there. And when the reflected rays, it's falling on the mirror, and you can see light rays out there, they are reflected from the mirror. And now you move the distance and you move the angle of the mirror. You will see the difference of the light which is hitting back from the mirror, or from the reflected light from the mirror. Do this experiment and you will come to know so many things about light. Now let's see, with our next slide we will be seeing how an image of candle is formed on a plane mirror. You place a lighted candle in front of a plane mirror. Try to see the flame of the candle in the mirror. It appears as if it is similar candle placed behind the mirror. The candle which appears behind the mirror is called the image of the candle in the front, and the candle in the front is called the object. So here the concept of object and the mirror should be and the image should be very clear to you. Object is placed in front of the mirror, and what we are seeing in the mirror is the image. Now we should come to know about 2 more terms. Firstly, erect. Now what does an erect image means? The image, the upright image which you can see here, that is known as erect image. that is the image upright, that is called the erect image. Now, we will come to know another two words, and that is virtual and real image. I will be dealing with virtual and real image in just after 2-3 slides. So, here you can see a image and an object. Now, let us come to the next thing, and you will, this we face daily whenever we stand in front of a mirror. Our right hand becomes left in the mirror, or it becomes the left hand. You can see there the right hand becomes the left hand, or this is the interchange, you know, the right or the left. You might see many alphabets also. The N, when we write N, it is differently seen in the mirror. So, now you see, take out your A, B, C, D full and try to make out the words which appear different in the mirror, especially in ambulance. You might have seen ambulances, they get ambulance written in a different way, because when it is seen in the next car or the other car mirror, it appears like ambulance. So, this is known as the right becomes the left and the left becomes the right. So, you can check it up with yourself standing in front of the mirror. Now, let us come next to the spherical mirrors. Abhi, we were talking about plane mirrors. Now, let us come with the example of spherical mirrors. The best thing is you take a spoon. Your spoon is curved. You see yourself from the curved side, the side you eat. Now, you turn your spoon and look at your image on the back side of the spoon. What do you see? Do you see any difference out there? Yes, image formed in the inner side is straight as you are looking, and the image on the other side is inverted, isn't it? So, this is what we call as concave and convex mirror. Now, what is concave? See, this is the convex mirror and the concave mirror. The portion of the spoons, they are same as the portion of the spoons. Now, the side which has got mirror effect, or we have drawn light, that is the covered side, and the other side is the front side. So, this is, always remember, a convex mirror and a concave mirror. Now, I will talk about the real image and the virtual image. An image which we are able to form on a screen is called a real image, and the image formed by a plane mirror could not be obtained on a screen. Such an images are called virtual image. Now, let us see the example. Here you can take a candle, you can put a mirror on one side and screen on one side. See, you can see the image of a candle or of the flame on the screen. So, this will be what type of an image? An image formed on a screen is real image. While you move the candle or you move the lens, a point will come when the image is not formed. You cannot get the image, it is magnified, it is so bright that you cannot get it on a screen, and this image is called the virtual image. This is which lens? This is a concave, sorry, it is not a lens, it is a concave mirror. And now, we will talk about lenses. In mirror, what is the difference between mirror and lenses? In mirror, we saw the one side was painted, while as in lenses, none of the side are painted, they are the part of a big circle. And here also you can see a convex convex lens and a concave lens. The convex lens and the concave lens. Now, when we come to the properties of these lenses, see, the concave, the convex lens is the convergent, it is converging, and the other lens, which is the concave lens, is diverging. So, we see a convex lens converges, bends inwards, the light generally falling on it, and therefore, it is also called converging lens. On the other hand, concave lens diverges, that is bends outward, the light, and it is called the diverging lens. Now, we should, one more question comes to our mind, that does a light has only one color, the yellow color or the white color we see? Then, but when light passes through a prism, we see that it is bifurcated into 7 colors, the Vibgyor, and those 7 colors, they form the rainbow. Or you might take these 7 colors form a ring, you know, chakri जिसे बोलते हैं, उसको बहुत तेजी से घुमाओ. So what do you see? You see one white color. So this is the confirmation that a light carries 7 color with it, but they look one because of the speed it is moving up with. So, and with this I would like to tell you the key words which we have learned out here: concave lens, concave mirror, convex lens, convex mirror. And about images, we have learned erect image, and then we have learned virtual image, right, and the virtual image and the real image. With this, I would like to thank you. Thank you very much. Kindly put your questions in the comment box, and I think I'll be able to answer them, and surely I'll interact with you. Thank you. Bye. Take care.